Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect products like surgeons, but with way less blood and way more laughs. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing the ELEGOO Saturn III, the 12K Wonder on my left, and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, the Speed Demon on my right. Buckle up because this ride's gonna be smoother than a freshly printed PLA model. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The ELEGOO Saturn III will set you back a cool $399. That's like skipping your daily coffee for a year. But hey, who needs caffeine when you have a 12K LCD screen to stare at? On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a wallet-friendly $219. With the money you save, you could buy a small island. Okay, maybe not an island, but at least a really fancy dinner. Now, let's talk speed. The Saturn III boasts a respectable 70 millimeters per hour. It's like a tortoise, steady and reliable. But the Ender 3v3 SE? This bad boy can hit 250 millimeters per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Blink and you might miss it. Quality-wise, the Saturn III's 12K resolution is like having a mini Michelangelo in your basement. The details are so sharp, you could probably count the pores on a model's face. Meanwhile, the Ender 3v3 SE, with its Sprite direct extruder, delivers solid prints too. It's like comparing a fine wine to a really good beer. Both are great, just depends on your taste. Setting up the ELEGOO Saturn III is like assembling IKEA furniture, rewarding but time-consuming. But once it's up, it's a beast. The Ender 3v3 SE, 3 steps, 20 minutes, and you're printing. It's like the instant noodles of 3D printers. Quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. The Saturn III's got a COB-UV light source with Fresnel collimating lens. Sounds fancy, right? It's basically a spotlight for your prints, making every detail pop. Plus, it's got a heat dissipation system that keeps things cool under pressure. Talk about chill. Over here, the Ender 3v3 SE comes with a CR touch auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z-offset. In plain English, it means you can sit back and relax while this baby does all the hard work. It's like having a personal assistant for your 3D printing needs. Reviewers say the ELEGOO Saturn III excels in producing high-quality, detailed prints and has great customer service despite some issues with defective parts. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its ease of use and speed, but has mixed reviews regarding reliability. So, there you have it. The ELEGOO Saturn III is your go-to for Ultra HD, detailed prints, and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is perfect for those who value speed and convenience. Whether you're a detail-oriented artist or a speed-loving engineer, there's a printer here for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more smart buys. Drop us a comment on which printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep printing, keep creating, and always buy smart. Product links are in the description.